Hello everyone, it's Lucas from Altus. Today, we are going to learn about arithmetic operations, multiplication and division, on MasterTool for the Nexto Xpress series. I will put here below. I will enable their conditional with the Boolean constant true, and again with true, and that I will declare my variables. I will call this mul1. I will change it to real type, which is a 32 bits type with decimal places. And I will talk here about mul2 also of real type. And result will receive the result of our multiplication. Division is the same thing. I will also do off real type to see how we manipulate variables of type real in the MasterTool. And divide to type real. We have to be careful with division operations with variables because any division by 0 in the MasterTool already generates an exception command. We can initialize div2 writing equal and 1, for example now. We can already press communication and login. Just to make sure that an exception does not occur in our application, we can see here a present value of 10 will be multiplied by 0.55. The value of 100 will be divided by 0.5. The result is 200, the double of the value. Don't forget to follow Altus channels on Facebook and YouTube. Thanks everyone. See you next time.